Right there. Right at the base. Yep, turn it sideways. 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 Higher up. Right here. Higher up. Right there. You can move your feet. You can move your feet. Higher. Yes, go. Now cut. More. 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 Okay, now open it up and slide it back more so you can get the rest of it. There. Did you do it?
Yeah.
Not quite. Open up. Cut that little bit. Open. Come on, you got it. Open wide. Pull now. Good. There. Now, do that one with the one on the bottom. See that one on the bottom right there?
Yeah.
Go ahead, do that one now. Careful. Okay. Don't leave it open. Close it when you're moving. Now move it to the one. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Get to the base. Yeah, cut it to the base. Nope, not basey enough. Nope, lower. Lower. Yeah. Good. Cut it. Good. Cut. You're in the middle, so you won't be able to close it. You got to go to the side. Yeah. Here. Let me get in there, see. That one's a little hard because it's a little stringy. Watch. Let's see if this works. Yeah. Is that better?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Good. Come on, there's three more. Yeah. Here. How about this one right here? Look, right here. Right there at this bend. Can you do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Let's turn it this way. Here. Good. Right there. Yes. Good. Good. You did it. Now, this one low one first. Go to the side. Go right there. Yeah. Now right here. Right here. See that one? Here. Turn to the side here. Open it up. Right here. Yeah, there. Now, good. Trim. Good. Good. Yeah, that's good right there. Open it. Get it. Nope. You have to line it up before you can squeeze it. Don't do it there. Do it closer to the stalk. Yeah. You got it? Pull now. Don't twist. Yeah, good. Good. Now, here. You do this one here. Okay? So are you in the right position?
No.
Yeah. Close that. Here, I'll hold this for you. Get in the right position. Ready? Mm-hmm. There. Right there. I'll get the top for you. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Good. Good. And you want to cut these at an angle. Nope, nope, nope. Pull it. Good. Down lower. Come on. Work with me. You're not holding the base stable. Come on, twist. You see the angle?
Uh-huh.
We're going to be late for your dog grooming appointment. Come on, hurry up. Let's go. There. Okay. Trim, clean that up.
Okay.
Here, I got it. Stop. Yeah, give me that small one.
Small one?
Yeah, give me the small one. This one, I mean. Yeah. You got one more to do, right? Give me that one off the... Yeah. Yeah. Here you go. Thank you. Good. One more to go. Yeah. You got to cut in the same spot, although you're just going to hammer the tree. So where should you stand?
Here.
Nope. Yep. Now get up. Now this is harder because you have to hold Yeah. Here. Let's do it together as a team, right?
Uh-huh.
Open up. No, we're gonna not do it this high. Low, I mean. Right here, right here. There. Let's go. Crunch and munch. Let's go. Come on, get in there. You're not holding it. Wrong way. Go back towards the fence. Let's go. Cut it. You got to hold. You're not working as a team. I'm holding it for you and you're not working. You're going the wrong way. Where is it bending? Right there.
Right.
Get that part. Good. Let's go. Good. Cut. There. See, that was dangerous. Almost. Yeah, good. Come on, let's go. Yeah, that wasn't quite in the pile, was it?